sabi nila, "Ay, you cannot ano, Ellen, kasi hindi yan ano, kumbaga, hindi yan tsipanggang babae na will suck in one ano corner tapos aano lang." Hindi, she will fight talagang ano.
Everyone, as in everyone, is so tutok with this latest development between this strange couple, and I cannot help but wonder why. This is Alwin Ignacio, the diva that you love. Together with Miss Kamaring Ultra Maldita,
Hi, this is Alex Brasas.
of course, you are watching the Kitty Show, Tariana Talakin Showbiz Edition. So, ito na nga. Nagkakagulo na naman sila. At ewan ko ba kung bakit gusto nilang magkagulo sa social media pa. Pwede naman magharap na lang sa harapan ng abogado, sa harapan ng pare, sa harapan ng mga parents nila. Pero sige, chika yung pasok, Ellen Adarna, ano naman ang drama niya ngayon?
Finally, she pero hindi naman direct lahat, pero very subtle na inamin na niya na they have a shaky relationship ni Derek Ramsey.
Shaky but not yet ended?
Actually, parang doon na papunta.
Okay.
Oo, kasi she was telling sa kanyang Instagram stories how her relationship with Derek went. Parang 3 weeks ago, she discovered from a well-meaning friend yung secret conversations ni Derek with her side chick.
Oh.
Di ba? Ngayon, sabi naman ni kasi may nagtanong meron siyang ask me portion do sa Instagram Instagram story post. Ask me, parang may nagtanong, bakit po hindi niyo pa hiniwalayan? Kasi apparently she discovered yung chatting 9 days after they were officially on as a couple.
Oh, that's too early pa. Pwede pang basagin.
Oo, di ba? Kaso 3 weeks ago lang yun na-discover. Hindi noon pa.
Okay.
Pero sinabi niya na, had I discovered it noon pa, ay, wala nang kasal na mangyayari. Sinabi niya.
Okay.
Tapos sabi naman, parang nagpalusot naman yata si Derek, parang he was claiming he was nakulam. Parang yung kanyang alibay. Hindi ka handa. Huwag mo, ano sa akin, ano kayo sa'yo, impacta ka.
2025 na? May kulang pa?
Parang yun, that's how I understood it. Parang ganon. Tapos, among those questions asked of her, nadamay na si John Lloyd Cruz.
But alam ko parang John Lloyd for her was the perfect ex.
Oo. Kasi sabi niya, I cannot say anything bad about John Lloyd because he's a good provider. Sabi niya ganon. Before a few days before Elias's birthday, nagparamdam na siya, nag-effort siya, pumunta siya. Di ba si Derek
was conspicuously
absent during the first birthday of her daughter. Na sinabi naman niya na he got an invite from me, sabi niya gano'n. Hindi siya napunta. Maybe he's doing frisbee or something. Yun ang pagkakaiba. Tsaka ikinento rin ni Ellen na there was a time during COVID, si John Lloyd nag-effort na tingnan kung anong kalagayan ng anak niya, si Elias, di ba? Naka-chopper nang dumating sa bahay niya. Di ba? He was that tawag dito, good as a father. Biro mo, nag-effort, chopper. Naka-chopper pa, di ba? So conveniently or inconveniently na-compare niya yung dalawa. Yun ang nangyari.
So, right now, talagang ang adjective of choice niya lang ay shaky.
Hindi naman. Parang ganun na rin. Pero, ang ano nga din, ano siya, bakit, di ba, sabi, matapang daw si ano. Matapang ka, ba't di mo pangalanan yung side chick na yan?
Oo.
Sabi ng ano, parang she consulted the lawyer, sinabi sa kanya, you will be in danger pagka pinangalanan mo. Sabi niya
Lalo
ganun.
wala naman siyang pruweba.
Mm-mm.
Lalo na't well-meaning friend lang ang nagsabi.
Oo. Pero, apparently, siguro later in the end, papangalanan din niya. Not now.
Not now.
Oo.
But maybe she's gathering more evidence
Oo.
to prove na talagang nagloko si Derek.
At saka parang, di ba, parang, Derek was once denied na in-address pa nga niya kay Sian Gasa, yung denial niya At pero halata mong the denial was not true. Yung denial niya na, di ba sinabi niya, kasi siya, kagigising lang sa bed Tapos dinenay niya na, hindi kami wala, chuchucho, it's not true, chuchucho. It's not true, wala ka makasama sa kama na natulog, wala man doon si Ellen.
May aral ba tayong makukuha sa kaguluhan ito ni Ellen at ni Derek?
Well, the proverbial saying na na thou shall not steal. Thou shall not steal somebody's husband. Charot! Di ba? Kung totoo nga yun ang yun ang cause, di ba, ng ng separation. Tsaka cheating, di ba? Parang kasi may cheating factor, may cheating angle, di ba? Tsaka pero kasi, apparently si Ellen napika na. Kaya she was
Punong-puno na siya.
napuno na ang salop niya, di ba? So she was revealing anything and everything, di ba? Who knows, baka meron pang dagdag na kwento siya, di ba? Kasi she just started, di ba? So, ang lang doon is, why all of a sudden Derek is so quiet? Why was he not answering allegations of his former
Well,
of his
because
wife?
as you said earlier, maybe he was also advised by a lawyer to keep his mouth shut and let your wife do all the
Talking?
dirty talking and all the revealing of the skeletons in both your closets, and then maybe whatever she said will backfire at her. Diba? Pinapadama si Ellen. Art of War. Sige, dumaldal ka ng dumaldal ka. Kadadaldal mo, ikaw ang mas mabubuking. Ikaw ang mas matatalo ko. Diba? Because right now, Ellen is not thinking right.
Talaga?
She's following her emotions Diba? At the very beginning, actually, any sort of romance na ganun katindi, ganun ka-explosive na whirlwind, magpakasal tayo kaagad, alam mong hindi pag-ibig yun.
What is that?
Libog.
Spell.
Diba? Libog na nagpapaigting ng damdamin nila na akala nila, totoo na to, mahal na mahal ko to, at pinanalig ko to sa dambana. Imagine mo, 9 days pa lang pala in the relationship, inaloko na siya. As ngayon lang nalaman, for all her intelligence and her connection.
That's according to her story, di ba?
That's her side of the story. But of course, there's the truth that also Derek holds. At the reason why Derek is so silent is because pinag-aaralan niya lahat ng sinasabi ni Ellen. Alam mo naman, paghiwalayan, pare, diba? Ano next? Character assassination.
Tsaka he said, she said.
O yun nga, character assassination. Matira-matibay. Kung sino mas nakakaawa. And the way Ellen is being combative now, and the way, the moment Derek Ramsey comes out at the camera crying,
You think,
lahat ng babae sa kanya
believable?
na ulit kaagad.
Ganon?
Oo. At sabi, kasi naman that Ellen talaga, it's not like she's really a spoiled brat, she's really like SLUTTY, and all those things. Diba? Pasalamat ka. Siyempre lang sa love siya ni Derek, ano ba siya?
Ay!
Diba?
Diyos ko.
Ganun lang kadaling mag-decide. Lalo na pinapakita ni Ellen na, ito ko talaga, I'm being myself, I'm being true. Ginago ako, winalangya ako, mas lalo ko siyang mawalangyain. Totoo naman sa kanya yung hell hath no fury, a woman scorned, but you still remember, you're still in the context of marriage. Whatever you are saying now, kung matalino at mahusay na mahusay ang abogado ni Derek Ramsey,
Will be used against her, charot?
yes! Alam mo yan, sis. Diba? So kaya si Derek, Ang dami
Kalma lang.
Pa-gentleman.
Mm.
Quiet. Hindi papato sa asawa niya at sa anak niya. Sa nanay ng anak niya. Artista si Derek, Kasi hindi marunong umarte. Diba?
Aray ko.
Ito ang greatest moment ng kanyang career.
Ganon?
Ito sa lahat na sakit siya sa nangyayari.
There's no career to begin with kasi ayaw, di na daw niya siya artista eh.
Pag humarap siya kay Tito Boy,
Ay, may Tito Boy factor
kasi
na.
siya harap kay Ogie,
Sino yun?
di ba? Kay Nanay Christy,
Ay?
di ba? Siyempre kay Tito Boy,
Mm.
di ba? Pag umiyak siya kay Tito Boy, alam mo na.
Ay, Diyos ko
Diba?
parang...
Kung sino ang magwawagi at
Ha?
kung sino ang paladaligan ng bayan.
Pero based on the that I read sa online, kampi sila kay Ellen. For now.
For now.
Oo, kasi
Because
ang ano nila is kasi she was made to believe na honest sa kanya si
at the end of
si
the day,
Derek.
she's also she was made to believe that honest sa kanya direct. And also, that is a wrong statement because because people are already saying na ay gullible ka. Nagpabola ka. Tatanga-tanga ka pala.
Eh, yun ang
Yun ano niya.
yun ang defense ng mga supporters niya. Talagang tsaka sabi nila, you cannot Ellen kasi hindi yan kumbaga hindi yan chipanggang babae na will sulk in one corner tapos lang. Hindi, she will fight talagang
Well, I hope talagang marami pa siyang bala because right now, Derek is silent and we know that silent water runs deep. This is Alwin Ignacio, the diva that you love. Together with Miss May Kumaring Ultra Maldita.
Hi, this is Alex Brosas.
And you are watching the Pretty Show. Tariana Talakin Show Presentation. And of course, we're inviting everyone to please watch the Pretty Show, the Jerry Torado YouTube channel. And you can also view it at our Facebook page. Happy Saturday. Happy Saturday to all.